Welcome to Parsimony, where managing your stock has never been easier. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a pick list in the stock module step by step. Let's get started. From the dashboard, navigate to the stock module by clicking on the stock icon. To create a new pick list, click Picklist under Stock Transactions. Here, you'll see a list of all existing pick lists. To create a new one, click on the Add Pick List button. In this page, we'll enter the details of our new pick list. You can set the company and select the warehouse where the pick list will be fulfilled. Select the purpose of pick list. These are the options under Purpose. Material transfer for manufacture. This will let you select a work order from which raw materials will be pulled for picking. Material transfer. This will let you select a material request for which you want to pick items. Delivery. This option will let you add items from a sales order to deliver. Make sure to enter accurate information to track your stock effectively. Next, add items to your pick list by clicking on the Add Row button and selecting the items you want to include in the pick list. Here, select the item you want to add to the pick list from the drop-down list and enter the picked quantity for the item. Click on Get Item Locations to get the warehouse and other details for each item. After adding all the necessary items, review the pick list details to ensure everything is correct. Then click on the Save button and hit the Submit button to finalize your pick list. Congratulations! You have successfully created a pick list in Parsimony's stock module. Managing your stock has never been more efficient. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most out of Parsimony.